Hey, my name's Fraser, and this is my 1972 Volkswagen Beetle, and today I'm going to install an engine into it. The first job of today is to finally install the oil pump. Alright, so the engine is now done and it's ready to go in the car. And I thought I'd just show you the workspace that I've got to do this job, because it's pretty cramped. I only just fit. Just pushed it in. That is so satisfying. After all this work, after all these weeks, the engine is finally back in the car, and now I can start bolting everything back in. Finally, I can put the electrics back together, and then it's just connecting the fuel, and fingers crossed, it should be good to go. It's been a long journey coming here, so yeah, wish me luck. I also have to top it up with oil. Alright, so it's time to give it a start and see if it turns over. Okay, so it's started, but the timing is totally out of whack, so I'm going to need to adjust that now. It works! Finally! It's been a long time coming, but finally this engine is running properly. I was having a bit of doubt there for a second when the timing was off, and I also had one of the leads in the wrong place. And then I also adjusted the valves once again because they were off because we had done them the wrong way. So yeah, now it runs and it's time to just go for a drive. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I look forward to showing you what happens next with this car. Got some more plans for it, so stay tuned.